listen, so Becca got this R1, my dream bike, yeah. She wanted a dream, but I can't talk, I'm so distracted. It sounds so good. It's both of our dream bikes. She got one before me. Oh, she set a flame! It's like cold, but it's not that cold. But anyway, she bought an R1. Yeah. I'm crying on the inside, yes, but I'm so happy for her, and I get to watch it and look at it all the time. It's a win-win situation, you know? I'm feeling her hype through me. I mean, I'm getting my hype through her. Now, it did just rain, but honestly, like, she just bought this yesterday, and it was pouring rain. We were like, YOLO, like, full send. She wants to ride it, and I was like, listen, like, I don't usually ride my bike out if I know it's gonna rain.
I can never run so far. Catch me if you can. Even when I shield my heart, can we make amends? I can never run so far. Catch me if you can. Even when I shield my heart.
Wow! My thing came off! Oh, I guess they don't like the wheelies. We're just gonna take it off. It got loose! I was like, oh no! I thought I had it tight. Maybe I need like some Loctite on there or something. I don't know. Oh! What else did I drop? Oh, the washer. I do have a microfiber! How's it feel? I don't know, it kind of looks clear over there. Sometimes you just get the itch, you gotta ride, you gotta send it, full send. I went on there and I was like, you're not riding this bike on all out A mode, which is the fastest. So I was like, I'm turning everything down. I'm turning all the assists on. I'm thoroughly in love with it. Like, you guys know I want an R1 and she buys one and I'm just like, no! What's up, pup? Hi! Just ride. You just rode a 1000 here. Kick it. No, wait, kick it. Get it down? Learn. Wait. What'd you say? You're in neutral, aren't you? No. What'd you say? Okay. Wait. Hold in the clutch. You said this is scary. You just came here and you're talking about a fucking 125. She just bought a R1 and she's scared of little 125. Because you're in gear. Kick it like a man. This is a man. You do it. I'm scared. Do it. Just you, oh my gosh, you gotta feather the throttle. What the? Okay, wait, part 2, I got it. No, kick it yourself. I can't. It's not that hard. It's my bad leg. Oh. Kick it yourself. I can't. Oh wow, you did it! Oh my gosh! You have to do like this. When you take off, and then let out the clutch. And then you can ride. Oh, she was looking. Like, what's going on there? Is that a girl that rides 1000 and can't ride a dirt bike? Come back and Alright, give me a little push. Go into the flag.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, oh my god. It's the exact same as a motorcycle. Look at them things. Is that real copper in there? I know how to do an engine swap. A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mayo will be good. These rims are bigger than my balls. She's never done a wheelie. Dude, she's been in like first gear the whole time. Do you understand how to switch gears? No, that was awesome. You're now not scared of a 125. Woo! That's fun. Oh, my backpack feels really weird because I have a new part in there. I feel like Michelangelo from Ninja Turtles.
I can never run so far. even when you shield my heart. Can we make amends?
That was my tire slipping, baby. I feel so bulky with this helmet. I feel like a blockhead. I feel like Minecraft, dude. My GoPro's probably all at some bad angle, of course, because I forgot to adjust it. This is how I feel inside. Oh my gosh. She can't even touch the ground anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it! I'm gonna be honest, I think I have to stop yelling. That's probably why my mic's going out. There you go, girl. I feel slippage! I feel slippage! I switched helmets, guys. Let me try to explain this. So for 2 months, I've been battling audio issues. I didn't really know what it was. At first it started popping, then I started losing like literally 10 minutes of footage in between, but it was just going out whenever it felt like. I ordered a whole nother mic setup. Oh my gosh, that exhaust. So I ordered an entire new exhaust. Entire new exhaust. Good English? What are you doing? Stop that! Stop that! Thanks, Mom. Matt! It's Matt. I don't know where we're going. It's so cold and my tires are so crappy right now that I'm just doing burnouts every time I try to wheelie. Travis Scott is indeed and confirmed legally a goat. He has hooves. Hooves, I tell you, hooves! What is flapping? We got it. Dude, guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I've missed out on so much good content because of my mic. It honestly, it sucks. It kills me. I get so sad about it. You just take it off like a normal hoodie.
I don't know how to take it off with this thing that I can't move my arms.
Yeah, you can.
I got like T-Rex arms.
You can, I mean, I can get solo pics of your bike if you move it. Yeah, move it. You want me to?
I can never run so far. Catch me if you can.
The last set I put on were super courses, and they were, oof, look at that. I put brand new, what's the word? Super courses, Pirelli super courses on, but they had two track days on them. Yes, I was cheap and I put used tires on them. Cry about it. I did it. Yep. I did it. No, I just gotta get the rear on, so I'll update you guys once I get that done. I've done a lot to the bike, and I feel like I haven't even been telling you guys on YouTube, so it's sad to say, but like, since I don't really have too many tools at home, I don't really own too many tools, because I didn't really do too much of my work on my own. Since I'm starting to acquire more tools, and I have a new spot to do work at, I think I'm gonna kind of do the, start it late, but I think I'm gonna do a build series on everything else that I have to do to the bike, as well as on the next bike I buy. So, we're gonna start doing some upgrades and on film, finally. Even though I don't show my face, Brian 636 does it, so I can do it. We will find a way. We'll make it happen, right? Right? Say right. Say it. Say it.
Right.
Yeah! Wait, the camera's so out of focus. For anybody that has negativity, you see what that says? Huh? You see what that says? Hey, why are you cursing? Why are you cursing?
Why the freak are you taking so long?
Thanks. I got parents that watch this, huh? What are you gonna say to Gavin's mom when she watches this, huh?
Thank you for that sandwich. It was fire.
Yo, that sandwich was slapping. There's nothing better. Yo, don't rush me. I'm talking my peeps right now. I'm talking to the hype rocket. I'm talking to the hype rocket. No, that's where you mess up. That's where you mess up. If you're talking to the camera, you're doing it wrong. If you're talking to the people, you're doing it right. Listen, no, because if you think about it, I'm not talking to the camera.
I only care about my...
Why are you worried about a hairbrush?
Because you see this? This cannot...
Yeah, your little lion mane.
I can't go to bed like this. It's gonna get naughty.
Oh my gosh, I can't go to bed like this. Look at how naughty it is. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Ah! You're gonna kill me after I put this camera